What are the extra costs involved in purchasing a property?
When you're looking to buy a property, you must certainly make sure that you've covered all the costs that are going to be there, because actually there are a lot of hidden ones that people don't think about. You need to think about stamp duty, which is payable. It's a tax that you pay between 1 and 4% of the purchase price, and it's set on tiers of the levels of purchase price. If you're a first-time buyer, in fact, there's quite a decent level. You actually don't pay anything until £225,000. So you need to think about that. The actual costs involved with the legal side you've got to consider. That's your conveyancer's costs, and they will also be costs such as the land registry charge, which can be, say, £200 on a £200,000 property. There are local searches, other local environmental charges, things like that. So there are costs involved on top of the normal administration costs that the solicitor will charge. The mortgage, you can't just assume that's going to be free either, because in the current climate, a lot of the lenders are beginning to charge quite a large administration fee. And of course, you will have read in the news that actually you've got to have quite a large deposit put together very often, and the days of 95, 100% mortgages are really gone. So there's an awful lot to think about, to look up. But there is help out there. If you go onto any of the search engines and type in how much does it cost to buy a house, you actually find some very useful sites with calculators there where it reminds you of all these things. For instance, I've forgotten them already myself, moving costs, insurance, all these types of things you've got to be thinking about.